Right, well the weather's been classic Glasgow. It's wet, it's cold. I mean, look at this, just soaking wet out there, and there's a bit of snow as well going on. I'm not sure if you can see it out there, but yeah, it's not nice. So I wanted to ride my bike, and I have come to, you won't be able to see it from here, but I've come to Zone 74, the usual spot. It's a bit repetitive always coming here, but you know, it's one of the closer indoor riding spots. It's warm, there's good light in there, and it's usually pretty quiet. Although today I've just seen a whole bunch of people, skateboarders getting out of cars. I've seen some BMXers get out of cars over there, so I was hoping for a bit of a quieter ride today, but I haven't been in yet, but I suspect it's going to be busy. So yeah, I'll just see how we get on, and I'll try some new riding. I've got some ideas in my head. I'll just have to see how well I can execute them. But yeah, let's head on in, shall we? Right, so here we are, inside Zone. You guys know this place by now, I'm sure. But do you guys know Euan? Euan is a rider I bumped into at Largs when I did a show with the clan there, and he kindly showed me around some spots there, so a bit of a trek for you to come here.
Yeah, we bit, about an hour and 10-minute drive, but I like the park, so it's worth it.
Yeah. No, so yeah, good to see more trails riding about. Nice one. Now I've got the task of drying my tyres. It's always smart to carry a bike into a skate park if it's raining outside, but I'm not that smart, so now I've got the next 10 minutes of riding sketchily and drying my tyres off, so yeah, just going to get on with that. Euan's been trying this line. I think I'm going to try and get him to have the first line of this vlog. Almost. Yeah. You work well in front of the camera.
Cheers.
Good work. First clip of the vlog.
Yes.
You got anything else in mind?
I was trying something last week where I come up onto that box, sort of pivot in the nose, and then tap the tyre on the edge and thing and try and roll onto the ramp. But
yeah. Is it on today?
I'll certainly give it another go.
Bit of camera pressure?
Yeah, maybe that'll motivate me a wee bit.
Yeah. Need to work on zooming smoothly, but the autofocus seems to handle its stuff. I've been practicing my zooming on your riding there. Yeah.
Give it another wee quick.
Was that first try there?
Maybe. I think you maybe get more height in the back wheel though.
Oh, perfectionist, alright then. That's pretty sweet, but go for it again if you want. Awesome.
I think that was a bit better. It's on the corner.
Consistent.
Cheers.
That's good work.
Thank you.
I just had a trick suggestion being thrown at me. What's your name again, sorry?
Scott.
Scott has just suggested manual up to nose, manual to manual down on the grind thing there. So I'm going to set the camera up somewhere and give that a try. Did that count? Excellent. Nice one. So some of you will have noticed I've got a new camera, which means I can stick other lenses on it, which means I can stick the camera a long way away from where I'm filming and still get the shot. So I might just try that today. I might try some bits and bobs around, try some longer lenses and just see how it looks, see what we can get. See, this camera is good and all, but it's flipping massive. It's going to take some getting used to. But hopefully once I do get used to it, it'll be pretty good. Right, so that's the ubiquitous backflip done, just to try and get my head around a little bit more. I might just try a few more things around here, set up the camera, see if we can get some good angles at stuff. And then I actually want to try some more tech stuff on here, so then we'll move on somewhere else. So effectively basically what I'm trying on this wall just here is something I've seen Eddie Tung do recently on his Instagram, and it made it look really easy. And I've tried it a couple of times then, and it's anything but. I'm going to keep at it and hopefully I'll actually get it. Oh, by the way, I'm absolutely stoked because Eddie Tung, one of my all-time personal trials riding heroes, is riding an arcade. So that's absolutely awesome. Eddie, how did you do it? It's so hard. I don't think that's quite what he did. I'm happy with that, but I might try a couple more, see what I can do. Right, so maybe I can't do exactly what Eddie's trying, but rather than just try and mimic him, I might just try and evolve it into my own thing. So I'm just going to keep at it and see what I end up doing. That was a bit wild. Don't really know what that was. It wasn't quite what Eddie did. It wasn't as good, but I'll take it. I want to go and try some other stuff now. Euan. Hello. Could I ask a favour of you? Could I ask you to point the camera at me while I do something up there? Okay. So some of you guys may have seen previous vlog that we did here, coming up, back wheeling this and front flipping in. I've not tried that since we were last here, so I'm going to try that again. I know I've done it before, but it's something I want to get good at, so I'm going to have to just practice it. And Euan's going to point the camera. Cheers, man. I'm absolutely stoked. That was way better than the last attempt. This time I'm gonna just go and balance on there, just on the bike, and turn around the back wheel, and then try without any momentum, see if I can front flip in. Now, last time I went and balanced on this, it's so scary, I would shit myself. Hopefully this time I'll dare do it. I think Euan's gonna point the camera again. Thank you very much. This is scary. So much scarier. So much for my balance. Thing ready. Just gonna go for one more try. So much harder without the momentum. I reckon I've had softer tyres. It'd go around and get a bit more bounce in it, but one more try, see how it goes. Really throw it.
better, yeah.
I'm still accidentally falling straight onto my ass on whatever this was. Yeah. Work in progress. I'm going to try a manual to ET, no brakes to backwards manual to fakie off. But I was getting messed up at the bottom there. I was wrong pedal strokes. Go on, for the camera. Oh. You okay?
Cheers.
Oh my god. You alright?
I've done that before.
Although there's some serious whiplash on the go there.
I just forgot to pivot.
I've done that before.
Oh well.
Ow! Oh. He's going for it again.
Gonna go do that again.
If you fall off your horse, get straight back on it. Much better.
Cheers.
Fair play. I think you're going to enjoy watching that back.
Oh, definitely.
So there you go, everyone. That's a good example. If you fall off, don't let it put you off. Just get straight back up there and do it again. Nice work. Fair play. I'm going to quickly try and get this line that I was trying with Duncan. So, oh, where is it? There it is. From there to the rail. To the rail. Now, Duncan did that in the game of bike and I failed miserably. So, I need to get it done. I need to get it done. That ain't easy. Those rails are an awkward distance apart. They are both waxed and I'm running about 50 psi. So yeah, fair play Duncan. Smashing those out first time. Right, so the street kind of area is getting a little bit busy with skaters now, so I'm gonna stay clear of there. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. I could go back into the transition-y bowl area. But yeah, I'll have a think. I think Euan's trying some backflips into there. Just have a think and then try and film something else. Back at the phone bit, about to try a couple of tricks into this. Not sure if Euan particularly wants me filming his backflip attempts, but if it's good, then we can put it in. And here he is. That's better. It's buried.
I think I stopped looking again.
Oh. Oh, that stuff goes everywhere. I don't think it's a good idea trying to kick the bike away from you when you're actually upside down.
No.
Look at that. Oh, it goes everywhere. Right, that was an awful front flip attempt. Can I try and redeem myself?
I think you can do another one.
And that's why I'm not doing front flips over box jumps yet. Oh my god. Can I try it again?
Yeah. Oh, man.
These front flips are going pretty wrong. So it turns out front flips out of a ramp are way harder than front flips off a flat surface. I've got foam everywhere. It's up my nose, it's in my eyes. I'm going to be digging foam out for the next 2 weeks probably. Yeah, that's the reason why I don't do flips over actual jumps, because sometimes they go absolutely perfectly and sometimes they go so wrong, and if I did some of those wrong attempts over an actual box jump I would probably end up in hospital, so lots more practice needed. Obligatory Instagram bike pictures. Yeah. What have we got here? Did not expect that. Alright guys, well, on that note of randomness, unfortunately my time is up. I paid until 4 o'clock and it's now 4 o'clock, so I'm getting kicked out of here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it's a bit repetitive coming to zone, but hopefully there's enough new tricks and stuff to keep you guys entertained. I hope you guys are enjoying this camera. Like I said, it's pretty big and bulky. It's going to take some... What's going on here? It's going to take some pretty getting used to just the size, like turning it around, it's all slower than normal. But hopefully the sound is a lot better. I've got the external mic on there. Hopefully the quality is a lot better. I can zoom in and out of stuff. So yeah, I'm willing to learn how to use this and try and get the most from it. So on that note, I hope you guys have a good week. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my social medias, and yeah, we'll try and get something out for you next week as usual. See you later guys.